In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a professional YouTube banner template using Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or just getting started, these steps will guide you through creating an eye-catching banner that grabs attention and communicates your channel's message effectively. First, let's open Adobe Photoshop. Once you have it up and running, the first thing you need to do is set up your workspace by creating a new canvas. For a YouTube banner, you'll want the dimensions to be 2560 pixels wide by 1440 pixels tall. YouTube recommends this size so your banner displays correctly across all devices from TVs to mobile screens. When setting up the canvas, make sure to use RGB color mode for the best online display and set the resolution to 300 pixels per inch for high quality output. With your canvas ready, it's time to focus on the background image. The background is crucial because it sets the tone for your entire banner. Choose something relevant to your content, perhaps a solid color, a gradient, or a high-resolution image. To select a color, click on the color swatch at the bottom of the tool panel, or use the color picker to match an image within your theme. Utilize layers to separate different design elements for easy manipulation later on. Next up, let's add the key element, the person or object that represents your channel. This could be a photo of you or an illustration related to your content. Import the image by dragging it into your canvas or choosing Place Embedded from the File menu. Once placed, use the Move tool to adjust its size and position it within the banner's safe zone, which is the central area where crucial parts of the image won't get cropped on different devices. For more precise adjustments, use the Transform tool, Control or Command plus T, while holding the Shift key to maintain aspect ratio. Now, let's create a stroke around your image or object to give it a stylish and polished look. Right-click on the layer containing your object in the Layers panel, then choose Blending Options. Tick Stroke in the list of options. You can customize the stroke's size, color, and position, inside, outside, or center. Pick a color that contrasts well with your background for the best visibility. Finally, it's time to add some text to bring context and attract viewers. Select the text tool from the toolbar and click on your canvas where you'd like the text to start. Type your message, keeping it clear and legible. Remember, less is often more, so focus on a few keywords instead of long phrases. Adjust the font, size, and color to complement your design, ensuring it doesn't overpower other elements on the banner. Utilize bold or italic styles and experiment with the text placement until it feels right within your composition. And that's it. You've just crafted a professional YouTube banner template using Adobe Photoshop. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and approaches. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing your awesome banner designs.